If you've been looking for free Kajabi videos on YouTube, you're in the right place because this video is video one in my four-part series, which is a Kajabi free course that's going to teach you everything you need to know to start using the Kajabi platform. So this is the first video. We're going to look at the dashboard and how you can get started with Kajabi. And if you're interested in more videos about how you can set up your course, how you can set up pipelines and more, then definitely check out the entire series. You'll find the link in the description box. And don't forget to hit subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. There are two ways that you can use the Kajabi platform. You either already have a website on WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, or any other platform, and then you want to use Kajabi as an add-on where you're hosting your courses, memberships using Kajabi for sales pages, and maybe using Kajabi to send emails. So if you're doing that, this is basically a website on WordPress, and I use Kajabi as an add-on. So when someone clicks on this free Kajabi course, it takes them to a landing page, an opt-in page that is built in Kajabi, and then when they sign up, they get the information inside of Kajabi. So since this free mini course is hosted in Kajabi, I'm using Kajabi as an add-on to get people to sign up. But if you don't have a website on WordPress, if Kajabi is the sole platform that you're using, you could actually build your own website on Kajabi as well. This is a website that I've built as a demo on Kajabi. So very similar branding. I'm using my logo here. I have this menu bar here. I have this header and other details. So of course I haven't edited it completely, but you can see you can easily create your own website on Kajabi as well. Now, if you're using blogging or SEO as your main traffic source, I would highly encourage you create a WordPress website. But if you're a service provider, course creator who doesn't use blogging or SEO as their main source of traffic, then Kajabi is really good. Even to build a website, as you can see here, Kajabi SEO is not bad also. So I think if you're just getting started and you need a website up and running, Kajabi is a great place to build your website as well. It just took me like 5-10 minutes to make this edit, and it looks pretty much on brand. Like if you look at some of the pages on my actual website, you'll see that this is pretty much on brand. So first you'll need to decide what you want to use Kajabi for, and then based on that you can start building. Again, you could already have a website and then use Kajabi for your sales pages, emails, course creation and hosting, membership hosting, or if you don't have a WordPress website or Squarespace website, you could use Kajabi as your main website platform. Let's look at the Kajabi dashboard. So when you first sign up for Kajabi, this is what you're going to see. Again, this is a test account, so you can see there are no opt-ins, no sales, no comments, and no members. And this is how it'll be for you when you first join the platform. You can take the Kajabi bootcamp if you wish. Kajabi University is great to get you started with. If not, you can just use this course to get started and create your course, product, offers, and everything else. So you'll notice that there's a dashboard with different features. So when you click on each feature, there will be a drop down with multiple steps within that. So under website, you have design, you have pages, you have blog, and you have analytics. So you can use Kajabi to build your own website if you don't have a WordPress website. What this means is you can actually blog on Kajabi, and Kajabi SEO, I wouldn't say it's the best because, of course, there are a lot of things that go into SEO, which is search engine optimization, which is if you want to rank your blogs, but it is good enough if SEO is not your core source of traffic. So if you're a service provider and you don't really blog on a regular basis, you can still build your website and blog on Kajabi. So there are different pages that you can then customize. Uh, they have a thank you page, static page. Static pages are basically pages that you would use for something like privacy policy, disclaimer, terms and conditions, and stuff like that. You wouldn't use it for an about us page. An about us page would generally be a page that's like a dynamic page, because if you're creating an about us page, you want it to include some images, text, video, and different kinds of media, and that's why you would use uh, the page builder rather than using static pages. Static pages, like I said, would be more text heavy pages like privacy policy, etc. You can also, like I mentioned, create a blog here and you have different options. The next thing is pages. This is where you will create your landing pages and your sales pages. So this is the page builder. The blog, this is where you'll have all the blog settings and features. You can get started by setting up your blog here. And analytics is where you can analyze, the opt-ins, page views, product progress, metrics, revenue, etc. Under products, this is where you will go ahead and create your product. Uh, you can hit new product and get started, and you'll also create your offers. So if you're coming up with an offer for a particular product, this is where you will create that. You don't always need a product for an offer. So, for example, if you're selling an ebook, you wouldn't really create a product here because you probably deliver that ebook through email, but you will have to create an offer for that ebook. So, we'll talk more about that in the coming videos. Under marketing, you have pipelines, which is basically the funnel. Which is called a pipeline in Kajabi. So, sign up page, email sequence, tripwire offer, checkout, all of those things. You will have your email campaigns, which are sequences, automations, events, and forms. Forms is what you'll basically use to get email subscribers. And then under people, you have people. So whoever signs up either for a free lead magnet or for a paid product, this is where you'll see all of them. And then you can create assessments for your product, for your course or membership site. And then you can also have affiliates for your offers. So you do need a higher than a basic plan to have affiliates. So that's basically the dashboard. We'll go into each of this in the coming videos. And then you have settings where you will set up the basic settings of your Kajabi platform. And we will look at settings in the next video.